Welcome to 473 Grand Street, Brooklyn in New York, where comfort and convenience are rolled into the perfect student abode. Choosing the non-ensuite apartment guarantees you a private room with a full-size bed just for you. Even the kitchen is stocked with kitchenware, so you don't have anything to worry about when culinary inspiration strikes. With high-speed Wi-Fi, you can unwind after a long day at uni with a movie night on the smart TV. No need to worry about housekeeping either. With weekly services provided, located right at the heart of New York in Kings County, the entire city is at your feet. The cherry on top is Pratt University, and St. Joseph's University is just a short commute away. Delight your inner foodie at Montescaro, Brooklyn and Reset restaurants. With Metropolitan Avenue and Lorimer Street subway stations minutes away, nothing is ever too far. So choose comfort and a lively living experience by booking your spot at 473 Grand Street, Brooklyn in New York via amberstudent.com today.